If you've been considering finishing your basement in Dallas, winter is surprisingly the best time to start. Here is why. Winter in Dallas provides the ideal window to start your basement remodel and finish before the spring rush. Unlike our neighbors to the north, North Texas winters are relatively mild, making it the perfect season for interior-focused projects like basement finishing. Without the threat of blizzards or extreme freezes, your contractors can work efficiently without weather-related delays. Since the basement is protected from the elements and underground, work continues regardless of the temperature. Winter is traditionally the quiet season for construction, giving you an advantage in contractor availability and scheduling. With lighter schedules, contractors can often offer more flexibility, faster start dates, and more personalized attention. You might even lock in better pricing on labor or materials before seasonal demand spikes in the spring. Remodeling now is the perfect time to address energy efficiency and comfort issues that you notice most during the cooler months. You can upgrade insulation and seal air leaks when you notice those cold drafts the most, cutting down on heat loss right away. Consider radiant floor heating to transform a typically chilly concrete space into one of the most comfortable rooms in your house. Wrapping up your remodel in the winter means you're fully ready for spring hosting and the peak real estate season. Imagine a new media room for March Madness or a cool retreat for summer guests. Finishing now ensures you can use the space when you want to. By tackling the project during the quieter winter months, you won't be living in a construction zone during the peak social season. In a shifting Dallas housing market, strategic upgrades make a difference. A finished basement is a major differentiator. A finished basement can offer a return on investment of up to 70%, adding valuable, flexible living space that today's buyers highly desire. A quality renovation positions your home as a premium listing, allowing you to maximize your sale price without relying solely on quick sale companies. For Dallas homeowners, winter is a strategic opening, not a time to hibernate. By starting your remodel now, you capitalize on better contractor availability, potential cost savings, and immediate comfort improvements. Transform that wasted space into a functional asset, adding both the everyday livability you need and the long-term value you want.